Wee mama way.
Hello?
What's the nerve of you talking on your cell phone? Ain't you got nothing better to do talking on your cell phone? Walking down the sidewalk, sitting at home with your girlfriend, knowing I wish you'd put it away, that itty bitty cell phone. Drive your SUV talking on your cell phone. Miracle of technology, this magic cell phone. You walking around like it's glued to your ear with a ha-ha, hee-hee. A new drug with a battery, a cell phone.
Hello? Yeah, totally. Whatever, I'm on my cell. Uh-huh. Hello? Hello? Wait, I think I'm losing you. Wait, hold on, one second. Hello?
No, I didn't
Yeah, hi.
say that.
But no, I'm on the other line.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll go. I'm back. 14 other minutes left, man.
Yeah. Oh, hey, contagious.
Oh, my God.
The answer is 43. I have 140,000 every day. I'm in the library.
In the movie we hear it ring your fancy little cell phone. In the restaurant hear it sing that trendy cell phone. Trade your stocks and buy a new car, you're so important. Nothing really matters but your cell phone. Cell phone, cell phone. We hear everything you said while talking on your cell phone. I wanna beat you over the head with your stupid ugly cell phone. You're talking, talk.
What?
Yak. Cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone.